Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Aglio Olio. First, take a kadai and turn on the gas and add in 2 glasses of water to it and let it boil for some time. Meanwhile, here I have some garlic cloves. I've taken around 10 garlic cloves and now I'm going to chop them. You can see I'm slicing them up first and then chopping them to tiny bits, like shown in the video. Next, I'm using Amul processed cheese and I'm gonna grate it up now. You can also use Parmesan cheese. Here, I've grated 1 whole cube of cheese, which I'm gonna add it in with the spaghetti later. And this is the brand of spaghetti I'm using. You can use whichever brand you desire. Next, you can see the water has been boiled. And now I'm gonna add in the spaghetti noodles into it. And I'm gonna let it boil until it's completely in the water, like shown in the video. Next, I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil so that the noodles doesn't stick to each other. Then I'll let them boil for 8 to 10 minutes. You can check the instructions on the packet if you aren't certain about the timings. To know if the noodles are boiled or not, try to slice it with this spoon, and if it cuts, it means it's boiled. Next, use a strainer to get rid of the excess water. Toss it around like I do in the video to make sure there is no more water content left. Next, take a pan, light up the gas and add in olive oil into it. Make sure you add in around 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Next, keeping the flame very low, I'm adding the chopped garlic into it. I'm gonna mix the garlic bits with the oil so that the oil gets the garlic flavor. Keep on mixing it for a minute or 2 until it turns a little bit golden brown. Once it's turned golden brown, the next step is to add in chili flakes. Add as per your preference. If you like it more spicy, add more of it. Since I like it spicy, I'm adding a lot more. Then take oregano and add in very little of oregano and mix them all together. As it starts cooking, you'll get a good fragrant aroma. Next, I'll add in the spaghetti noodles and mix them up real good. Make sure you keep the flame on medium and mix the spices really well with the spaghetti. Then add in salt according to your taste palette and mix them all together. Finally, I'll add in the grated cheese. You can add in more cheese if you like it cheesy. You can also add in mozzarella cheese. Make sure you mix them well together for a minute or 2. And keep the flame on medium to low so that you don't burn it. So there you go guys, Aglio Olio noodles. Simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.